Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Tejas from Nitte Center for Integrative Medicine and Research. Today I am going to discuss with you regarding egg. About egg, if we start talking, it is a controversial topic and also people are scared to take egg. So if you see egg, there is so many talk that if you start consuming egg, you will get cholesterol high. So I am going to bring a clarity about it. So you can go through this entire video for knowing the fact about egg. So there is a proverb called, if you take an apple a day, you don't need a doctor. In a similar way, I would like to make a comment that if you take 3 eggs a day, you don't need a doctor a day for many diseases. So first of all, we need to understand the white part of the egg is considered as healthy and the yellow part, yolk of the egg, is not considered as healthy. So if you look into the nutritional aspects, white part has only the protein and the yellow part has cholesterol. So if you look more deeply, the yellow part has almost all the 44 essential nutrients, including a little amount of vitamin D, which means what a body required, it's completely out there in the yellow part of it, and the yellow part is that what forming the chicks, which means the best part of the egg is yellow. Yes, we know since long time, almost 40-45 years, we were just throwing the yellow part and consuming the white part, and it is a foolish theory. And why it has come, I will just get you know with some facts. So for an example, you must be knowing about milk. Milk contain fat. So some of the it is called butter, and then it is ghee, considered as ghee. So milk contain fat. Yes. And let us see what a cow eat. Cow eat grass. Does the grass contain any amount of fat? No, very negligible amount of fat. But cow eats only grass. Still the cow milk contain fat. How and where that fat comes from? Anyway, the cow is eating grass and doesn't have any cholesterol in it, but the milk has. Yes, cow body in metabolism, they produce some amount of cholesterol. So that is the one which is coming in the milk, in the liver of the cow. So to make cholesterol, the cow should have some ingredients in his food. That food which converted into fat in his liver. So cow milk has large amount of fat, even though there is no fat in the grass. Similar way, if you consume egg which has cholesterol, will not increase the cholesterol level in your body. In fact, if you start consuming, if you have obesity or insulin resistance, which is a pre-diabetic stage, and then if you have PCOD, especially women, and overweight, belly fat, those people start consuming egg, then automatically they will get benefited, because egg contain very less amount of carbohydrate. In fact, very less. And one egg contain almost 50 kilocalorie. A medium size egg is 50 kilocalorie. And same like one biscuit. Biscuit also is 50 kilocalorie. But in biscuit you have oil, sugar and flour, which is high in calorie, high in carbohydrate. Instead of consuming biscuits, if you consume egg, the people who have insulin resistance, diabetes, overweight and obesity and PCOD, it will be a best solution for them to get rid of this problem by changing from biscuit to egg, because egg has almost 6 to 7 gram of protein and some good amount of good fat and all the essential nutrients what a body required. Hence, taking egg instead of biscuit would be a good choice for those following conditions. And another things, it boosts the egg boost. The studies suggest that egg boost HDL production. What is HDL? High density lipoprotein, which is considered as good fat, and there is something called LDL as well, low density lipoprotein, which is considered as bad fat. So eggs are extremely helpful for losing weight and high nutrition and low calorie with this good fat, with increasing high density lipoprotein. So you should be keeping in your diet minimum of 3 eggs, maybe breakfast or lunch in the form of omelette or in the form of boiled egg or in the form of any other form how we can make egg, and that has to be included in our diet. And the yolk will contain almost 5 grams of cholesterol, and that cholesterol is not going to increase your cholesterol level in your blood. If you can look the communities which consume large amount of fat, like French people, from the cheese they consume lot of fat. If you look at an Indian scenario, Indian Brahmins those who used to consume large amount of fat from ghee and butter and curd. And if you look into the group of Eskimos, they consume and they get good amount of fat from fish, which is called omega-3. They are extremely look healthy and they do not have much of heart disease. But we are scared of taking eggs because we think that the egg can increase cholesterol and thereby we can have heart disease. And in many studies it is proved that cholesterol heart attack theory is wrong. That's been taught us almost last 45-50 years, and it's proved now it is wrong, that cholesterol does not directly cause heart disease. The main reason for heart disease is inflammations. So having egg look very healthy because we get some good amount of protein, good amount of all the essential nutrients, and also very low amount of carbohydrate. Hence, taking egg, almost 3 egg in a day, will be helpful for those who are having overweight, those who are having PCOD, especially women, and those who have insulin resistance, which is a preconditions of diabetes, and also those who are diabetic in the initial stage can consume good amount of this fat and protein mixed best food, which is egg. So hope you enjoyed this video. Will be coming up with more videos like this. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channels and feel free to share the video. Thank you.